Hello, we are Cloud Odyssey, your Agentforce implementation partner. 3 key things to remember about us. We won an implementation partner for 2024. We're a multi-cloud and MuleSoft consultancy. We're located on the 17th floor of the Salesforce Tower, London. Agentforce for retail, merging digital and physical for seamless shopping. Imagine turning every WhatsApp conversation into a personalized shopping experience that drives customers into your stores. That's exactly what we've built with our Odyssey agent. What does Agentforce do? Agentforce connects with customers on WhatsApp, seamlessly integrates digital and physical shopping, and builds brand loyalty through innovation. Introducing Tom and Odyssey, Tom gets a reminder that his anniversary is tomorrow. He then sees an ad from his wife's favorite luxury store. Odyssey introduces itself and starts a conversational dialogue with Tom, asking relevant questions to help him find the right product. Odyssey also triggers Tom's memory, helping him recall what his wife might like. Now, Odyssey filters products based on Tom's preferred brand and budget. Tom, feeling stressed about time, asks for the nearest store. Odyssey uses Salesforce and MuleSoft integrations to determine Tom's location, provide the nearest store, and check stock availability, ensuring he can pick up the gift with ease. To enhance the experience, Odyssey also upsells a gift wrapping service, which Tom pays for and collects in-store. Odyssey confirms the pickup time, sends reservation details, and even reminds Tom so he doesn't forget. As a result, Tom is extremely satisfied. With a multi-cloud approach, we leverage the Agent Console to deliver a seamless experience. This isn't just another chatbot, it's a revolutionary approach to retail that turns every WhatsApp conversation into an opportunity to drive meaningful store experiences. What did Agentforce actually do? Agentforce connected with the customer on their preferred channel, merged digital and physical experiences, and built brand loyalty through innovation. Many of our Agentforce customers are already benefiting from our solutions, with use cases across manufacturing, retail, and high tech. We are Cloud Odyssey, your Agentforce partner.